No grammar, no stress. Start speaking English today. Stop scrolling. I know you are here. You want to speak English. You have been crying for months, years. But still, when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You hesitate. Hi everyone, my name is Jay, and welcome back to another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. So, guys, today is day 1 of our 30-day spoken English course, and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Yes, of course, confidently. And this course is designed especially for you, whether you are a beginner or someone who wants to improve their English speaking skills. By the end of 30 days, you will see a big difference in the way you speak English fluently. So, let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to speak in English? Today, I'll give you 2 powerful rules that will help you start speaking English immediately. The biggest problem in learning spoken English is that most people think speaking English is difficult because they worry too much about grammar rules. But the truth is, you don't need to learn complicated grammar to speak English. You don't need to memorize thousands of words. So today, all your problems end, and today you will start speaking English with confidence. You will need just 2 simple rules. These 2 rules will change the way you speak English forever. So, guys, no boring grammar, no memorizing long vocabulary lists. Just 2 simple formulas that you can use immediately. Before we begin, let me tell you exactly what you will learn in today's lesson, in day 1, because this series is going on until day 30. Okay, so here's what you will learn in today's lesson. I'll tell you 2 golden rules that will help you start speaking English. I'll show you real-life conversation using these rules, common mistakes people make and how to avoid them, and 5 new vocabulary words that will improve your daily communication. You'll also get a special challenge and homework that will help you practice what you learn. And here's something special too. Because every single day for the next 30 days, I'll give you 5 new vocabulary words, and by the end of this course, you will have 150 plus new words in your vocabulary. So, sounds exciting? Let's begin. All right. So, guys, first of all, before beginning and before telling you anything, let me ask you a question. Have you been in a situation where you wanted to speak English, but suddenly your brain froze? Maybe in an interview. Maybe in front of friends. Maybe when someone asked you a simple question in English. At that moment, you felt embarrassed. You knew what you wanted to say, but the words didn't come out. You felt ashamed. You thought maybe English is not for you. You felt like giving up. But wait, let me tell you something no one else will. Speaking English is not about intelligence. Speaking English is not about learning difficult grammar. Speaking English is about practice and confidence. Today, I will give you a shortcut, just 2 simple rules, that will help you start speaking English immediately. On day 1, I wanted to give you something that will really help you. Right? So, are you guys ready for that? If you're ready, please let me know in the comments section. Now guys, let's begin. I'll share with you 2 rules for speaking English. Think about this. Every day, you do 2 types of work. Got it? Every day, you do 2 types of work. Some work is happening right now, the action which is ongoing. Some work is already finished. That means the action has been completed. For these, we only need 2 rules. Okay? Because in our daily conversation, we only use these 2 rules to speak English faster. Rule number 1, I am plus ing form for work which is happening right now. Rule number 2, I have plus third form for work that is finished. All right, that's it. 2 rules. If you understand this, you can start speaking English right now. For instance, here are a few examples. I am learning English. I am watching this video. I'm improving my speaking skills. Now, guys, repeat after me. I am practicing English every day. I am getting better at speaking. I am improving my English. I am speaking with confidence. How is it? Cool? Now, guys, you have to try making your own sentences. For example, I am mobile. Think of an action, whatever you are doing right now. Okay? Let's learn I have plus verb's third form, because this is used for a completed action with a connection to the present. For instance, let me give you the examples. I have learned a new rule today. I have started my English journey. Started is the third form. I have spoken in English before. Spoken is the third form. All right, and you will have to use I have plus verb's third form. Now repeat after me. I have completed this lesson. I have improved my speaking skills. Now, guys, you will have to make sentences using I have namedrast I've. You have to think of something that you have done today. Okay, and leave the comment. Now, repeat after me. It is a kind of shadow practice. Okay, I am practicing English every day. I'm getting better at speaking. I have started my English journey. Okay, I have understood this rule. Now, let's practice together. I will ask you a question, and you will answer using today's 2 rules. Okay, so the question is, what are you doing right now? And you have to give me the answer using I am plus ing form. Either you can pause this video, or you can, write a comment. All right. Now, the next question is, what have you learned today? By using I have plus verb's third form. Okay, now say your answer out loud. Don't worry about your mistakes. Just try. So, guys, now let's start with the real-life conversation using these 2 simple rules. Suppose you are talking to your friend. Okay? Your friend calls you, and you pick up the phone, and you say, "Hey, what are you doing?" So you say, "I'm watching a video to improve my English." Then your friend says, "Wow, have you learned something new?" So you say, "Yes, I have learned 2 powerful rules today." How is it? Okay, next scenario. Suppose you are at a job interview. Okay, so the interviewer asks you, "Tell me about your experience." So you will tell, "I have worked as a sales executive for 3 years." Now, again, the interviewer asks you, "What are you doing now?" So you will tell, "I'm improving my English to grow in my career." How is it? Is it cool? Okay, let's go. Scenario number 3. You are at a restaurant and ordering food. So the waiter is asking you, Are you ready to order? So you will say, yes, I'm looking at the menu. The waiter again asks you, have you decided what to eat? Then you will reply, yes, I have chosen a pasta dish. Now, imagine this situation in your life and try using these sentences in real-life conversation. All right. So now, let me tell you some common mistakes people make in daily conversations. Right? So you must not do these things. Yes, if you're saying, I am completed my work, that is wrong. I have completed my work. I have going to the market. That is wrong. I am going to the market. That is correct. Now, as I promised, here are 5 powerful words you can use today. Okay, so first of all, the word is enhance. Enhance is a verb, and it means to improve or make better. For example, I am enhancing my English skills. Number 2 is achieve. This is also a verb that means to succeed in reaching a goal. For example, I have achieved fluency in English. Now, word number 3, observe. This is also a verb that means to watch or notice something. Okay, for instance, I am observing how native speakers talk. Now, word number 4 is confident. That is an adjective, meaning feeling sure of yourself. Okay, for example, I have become more confident in speaking English. Word number 5, word number 5 is implement. This is also a verb that means to put an idea into action. Okay, for instance, I am implementing these rules in my daily life. Okay, now guys, you will have to write sentences in the comment section. So here, I would like to give you a challenge for speaking 1 minute using these 2 rules. All right, so first of all, you have to record yourself saying 5 sentences with I am plus ing. All right? And the second one is record yourself saying 5 sentences with I have plus verb's third form. All right? And post your practice in the comments. Or you can do the practice in front of the camera or in front of the mirror. All right? And if you comment to me, then I'll read your comment and give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, now, what's next? What will you learn tomorrow in day 2? I'm going to tell you. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn tricky rules to frame sentences easily, and how to use modal verbs to express yourself better, how to speak confidently in daily life situations, and, of course, 5 new daily words. All right, so, guys, if you are interested, and if you want to speak your English, and if you want to improve your speaking skills with me, then definitely stay with me for 30 days. Because in the next 30 days, I'm going to teach you new things. I'll give you new exercises. I'll give you new tricks. I'll give you new rules. I'll give you tricky rules to improve your English without, going deep into grammar. All right, so if you really want to improve your English, stay with me for the next 30 days, from day 2, because if you like this video, then definitely I'll make the day 2 video for you. So, if you give a lot of likes, if you share this video, if I get good views on this video, then definitely I'll continue this series for the next 30 days. All right, so congratulations, you have completed day 1 of this course. All right, learning doesn't stop here. Your homework for today is write and say 5 sentences with I am plus ing form. Okay, write 5 sentences with I have plus third form. Okay, and practice speaking them out loud. Either you can write the sentences in the comment box so I can check whether it is correct or it is wrong, or you can write it down in your journal or your notebook, or you can do the practice in front of a mirror, or you can record yourself. Now, let me give you 4 more examples. I am drinking water. I have finished my homework. Remember, practice makes progress, and the more you speak, the better you become. All right, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Am I right? So if you practice these 2 simple rules every day, you will start speaking English naturally and fluently. So guys, keep practicing, and I'll see you in day 2 with another exciting lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and share this video with others who want to speak English. Okay? So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.